Prosecution rests in the Tex McIver murder trial. The Atlanta attorney, as you know, is accused of intentionally shooting his wife Diane as they rode in an SUV near Piedmont Park. After 16 days and nearly 70 witnesses, the prosecution told the judge today it's proven its case. 11 Alive's Caitlin Ross at the courthouse. Caitlin, they presented their final 3 witnesses at long last today.
And Jeff, this has been a very long time that the prosecution's presented their side. The first witness of the day was one of their star witnesses. It was Jeff Dickerson, who is a crisis communications manager hired by Tex McIver. Tex McIver wanted to see if he could help influence how the media viewed their perception of the case. Dickerson testified that he was paid a lot of money from Tex McIver, both from Tex's personal accounts and then from the estate of Diane McIver. He received about $3,000 a month for 8 months, but says ultimately he learned he was no longer employed by Tex McIver when he went to the courtroom and he found his lawyers had changed. One of the biggest parts of the testimony here was that Dickerson testified Tex McIver wanted him to bribe the Fulton County DA to drop the charges against him. He told Dickerson there would be a, quote, success bonus if he got the charges dropped.
He said that he would offer a bonus if I was able to make that happen, and that it would be okay with him, I think were his words, if I shared that with others.
And nearly 70 witnesses, the state has finally...
After that, the medical examiner testified, and then the prosecution rested their case. The defense asked the judge to dismiss the case after that, saying that the prosecution hadn't proved their point, but the judge declined, saying he thought there was enough evidence there for the defense to move forward, so they're going to start that part of the trial right now. Coming up at 6, though, we're going to take a look back at the prosecution and the top 3 points they made during their portion of the trial. Jeff?
Always interesting. Thank you, Caitlin. If you're interested in digging deeper into the McIver trial, each night, 11 Alive's Vinnie Politan is sitting down with his legal dream team to break down the biggest moments in court. Which side appears to be making the best case in their legal opinions? You can log in on the 11 Alive Facebook page tonight, beginning at 7:30.